Okay, now here's how you can check the battery cycle count of your iPhone. Now, there are things like battery health as well as cycle count, which are like two different things, and it also depends on which iPhone you have. Now, as of right now, I'm using the iPhone 15, which is the latest model. For me, I'm gonna have the option to see the cycles as well, but the older devices don't have this option. So let me just show it to you right now. You open up the settings like this, and when I go to the general section, click on the about, and if I scroll down a bit more, you can see, and you're going to be able to notice it. So if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, here is the cycle count. So cycle count is here and literally tells me 0. It is for the battery. So I literally didn't charge it once fully. It didn't go through any cycles to begin with. So that's very useful to know, especially useful when you're buying like a brand new device for yourself, but it's been used before by someone else on like Craigslist or wherever you purchase your devices. So this is something that you need to know about. It's very useful to have that. So here's the cycle count. Here for me it is a 0, but this is not the only thing. Besides that, you also have the battery health. So when I click on battery health in the settings, so settings, battery like this, click on battery health and charging. For me, it is 100% maximum capacity. The reason for it is, of course, that I just purchased it like a few days back. I haven't really used it at all, so it would be like a bad idea for me to expect anything less than 100%. But based on that, you can check it out. So these are like the two metrics to pay attention to. If it's an iPhone 15 or 15 Pro, check out the cycles of how many times the battery has been charged before and how many cycles the battery went through, and also the maximum capacity. So this is something like the two metrics to pay attention to when purchasing an old device or selling your current one or whatever else you want to know about your device in terms of the battery. So this is something that you need to know about. Also, before you leave, I need to show you the Foxtech educational platform, which you can join for free. It's going to be linked down below in the description, where you can watch full guides for many different iPhone apps, in-depth guide on how you can set up your iPhone fully, and also like video editing courses, so much stuff for free. So definitely go ahead and join that right now, and I will see you inside. For now, thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later in the future.